Hello everybody and welcome to another shoe video. Today we have a pair of fluevogs that I actually got through Vinted. So they came in the bag but not in the box. So this is the box it came in, which is actually a Converse box. So yes, and here they are. No, this is how they came. They came wrapped up in the travel bag that you get with every fluevog pair of shoes. So at least I've got that much, and you'll get to see what they're like in a moment. Hold on one second. And here they are. These are a pair I've been having my eye on for a long time. I think they're last season's special shoes, or last season's shoes. I'm sure someone in the comments will be able to tell me exactly what they are called. I don't know, but they are an asymmetrical brogue. So you've got the stripe, which is symmetrical, and you've got this large side, and then you've got this diagonal other side, and you've got on the inside you've got no stripes at all. So on both of them, with the little heel, quite a nice little heel, just a nice comfortable heel. They rise up reasonably high but not too high for a brogue. They have this button at the back, a little fluevog button, and look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? That's just so cute. Let me show you this. Look at that. Look at that. If it focuses. Come on, focus for me. There we go. So these are my new pair of fluevogs. So I got them only last week, or during the week actually. I think they've been worn once, and the person was really lovely that sold them to me. I don't know how they parted with them, but these are a 7.5 UK, so it does have the size. It says it's a size 11. You can just see on the inside there. There we go. They're a size 11. And they fit beautifully. They fit just beautifully. They're quite narrow, so having gone up that half a size to an 11 is really, really comfortable. They don't squish my toes or anything. It looks like I got them. I haven't actually worn them yet. I've worn them around the house, but I haven't worn them out of the house. And this is them. This is the glorious little things. I really love them. I think they're so beautiful. And I didn't realize when I got them that the uppers here are actually asymmetrical as well. So you can see that there. Excuse my nails. I've been sick with the cold flu-y thing that's been going around, and I haven't done my nails, so they're looking mighty shabby. But we're not here to talk about my nails. We're here to talk about the shoes that just don't seem to want to keep focusing. I don't know why. But there we go. This is them. Let me put them on and I'll show you what they look like. And here they are on. Like most fluevogs, they are leather, with the leather lining, and as you can see, they come up not quite to the ankle, but very, very close to the ankle bone at the back, so I'm very happy with them. And I love that asymmetrical front tongue. That's just front upper. That's just the best thing. I'd never realized that they had. I never really noticed that in the photos, but there they are. So there they are on, and they've got a very smooth the angel sole, I think it is. I think it's the angel sole. They're very smooth at the moment. They're very grippy. They're slippy, so they're not grippy at all. But they're there we go. There you have it, everyone. So another lovely little pair. The laces are like a flat, I think they're cloth, but they feel almost like leather, but I think they're cloth. They're like a waxed cloth, waxed cotton or something. Again, I'm sure someone will know in the comments, and I'm really looking forward to wearing them. I'll probably wear them with socks, more so than how I'm wearing them at the moment, with is without socks, because I don't usually put on shoes without socks. But see, they look quite simple here with just a touch of red. It's just when you flip them over that you get that outrageous stripe, which I love. Oh, I love them. And I love black and red together. So these are going to be definitely a pair of staples that I'm going to be wearing. Yeah, so there we go. There we have it. Another pair. This will probably, well, unless I find another really good deal like these, this will be my last pair that I buy, but I still have quite a few more that you can have a look at. So yes, come back next week, like, subscribe as usual, like and subscribe, and come back next week and I'll do another video. We'll see what shoes I do next week. Okay everyone, bye, thanks for watching, and take care of yourselves and your pets, because you don't know when you're going to have them till and yeah, my sweet puss died on the weekend, so you don't know how long you're going to have your cats or your dogs or your other pets, your ferrets, your snails, your lizards. You don't know how long you're going to have your pets for, so just love them as much as possible. Okay, anyway, not to put a downer on everyone, but yes, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.